Let's unbox the Kiko Milano 2025 Advent Calendar. In today's video, I'm going to be fully unboxing the entire thing. If you prefer to see it cutesy day by day, come back in December. I'll do each day one at a time, but this unboxing is going to be for those of you who want to purchase it for yourself or you want to know what's in it. Absolutely gorgeous, amazing quality. The top lifts up here like this. Boxes 1 through 12 are in the top, and then 12 through 24 are in this pull-out drawer. This is $150. So it says it has full size and travel size skincare, makeup tools, and a solid fragrance. Okay, day one has got a cutesy little shape. Unlimited Double Touch 107 Iconic Duo, combining matte texture and transparent gloss. This is absolutely beautiful. Guys, come back for my individual daily boxing to see a try on. Box number 2. This is the Radiant Touch Creamy Stick Highlighter. This is obviously full size. That is an absolutely stunning shade, especially for my skin tone. Day number 3, Nordic Treat Lip Mask. So a lot of these products are exclusive to the Advent Calendar. Product number 4, what is your guess? My guess is a lip liner. Color Kajal Kohl Pencil. Okay, so I think this is for your eyes, like a nice bright nude color to lighten up the under eye. That's exciting. Product number 5. Ooh, this is the Kiko Snow Kissed Holiday Mini Lip Gloss. Look at that. They really put a lot of effort into like actually designing the packaging specifically for the kit. Look at how gorgeous that color is. And let me just say that was like a really flexible applicator. Ooh, I can't wait to review these. Product number 6. Oh, it's a red Power Pro nail polish. Product number 7, a travel size little lipstick. Oh my God. All right, they really put time, effort, and money into this. Look, it has snowflakes imprinted on it. That is really cool, honestly. Like, the concept of spending a lot of money on an advent calendar, usually I feel like they're crappy quality. These are clearly very good quality, even down to the boxes. Product number 8 is a weird shape. I'm thinking like a blush or something. Look at this. Look, like the nice tissue paper. So this, especially too, if you want to get it for a gift for somebody, it's actually like really nice. This is the Snow Kissed Holiday Montenapoleone District Scent Milani Solid Perfume. Oh my gosh, this is a solid perfume. Oh, it actually has a really nice clean scent. Very neutral. 9 is another odd shape. This is a comb of some sort. This is a travel comb. Very nice. It's got like a nice kind of shell detailing. Number 10, I'm gonna guess lip liner. We had an eyeliner, now I'm gonna guess lip liner. And I guessed right. This is the Creamy Color Comfort Lip Liner in the shade 05. That's gonna be a beautiful color. Product number 11, this has gotta be a bronzer of some sort. Oh, it's a pad. This is a Snow Kissed Holiday Nourishing Eye Mask. Product number 12. This is brush number 54. So this is like a dense shadow brush. Or sometimes I use these brushes for like my nose contour. 13. The top layer goes all the way. I thought the top layer stopped at 12. It doesn't. It goes to 15, I think. So 13. Oh, I think this is, oh my God, an eye jelly stick. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's not even showing up on camera. There's a little bit more. Oh my God. Freaking disco ball. That's nuts. I'm gonna have to wear that out in public and find a way to take a video that actually showcases it.